What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back at the shop and I have the 350Z here. I've been keeping it in the shop since, you guys know, I have too many cars in the driveway and I pretty much look like a parking lot. So today I'm going to be installing a new rear bumper for the Z. I told you guys in my past video that I'm going to be wrapping the car, and if you don't know, now you know. But we need to get her into really good shape before she goes in and gets the wrap because she doesn't really look that good. But as you guys know, this rear bumper is shot. Look at that. Look at it. I went on Facebook Marketplace and I found this original C West rear bumper for the 350Z. I absolutely love it. It looks really, really good. And I want to show you guys the back so you guys know that it is C West. And by the way, that's Amanda Z. Don't get it confused. A quick walk around on the Z if you guys are new to the channel. This is my baby Eve and she is going to be all done up for time attack. I have this front bumper that Car D was so kindly to give us and some nice Spec D headlights with some 57DR rays over here. I am going to re-powder coat these because the car is going to be a color that's not going to match these wheels anymore. Anyways, to the trunk. I was having some issues with these shocks because the trunk was just falling on my head and yeah, it hurt. So I don't know what's going on with them exactly, but it hasn't done it since I brought it to the shop. Hopefully it doesn't do it again because you getting hit by this piece right here hurts like hell. So there is two 10mm bolts that hold on the rear bumper right here. And you're gonna take those off before you start messing around with the top of the rear bumper.
So I thought I needed. So I thought I needed. Thought I needed. So I thought I needed. It's gonna end up flying into our faces. Watch.
There we go.
That is
That's
just
cruded.
disgusting. Ew.
So how are you even supposed to put it on the new one?
Yo, I think I'm gonna have to buy this piece because I don't know how I would take out these rusty bolts.
Empty? Yeah.
Okay, so we got this piece out and all the bolts that came with this, what would you call this, Bobber? The
license plate light.
license plate light. Yes, the license plate light bracket had these rusted out bolts that we just had to like screw, I don't know, break off. They were literally crumbling. So we're gonna go ahead and just clean this up a bit. Bobber was just telling me, like, knowing Nissan, this would probably be like $100–200. So it's good that he was able to take out the bolts for me, but I don't know what bolts are gonna fit in there. We're just gonna have to go to the hardware store and see if we can get some matching bolts. I'm gonna be super careful to not get any of the wiring wet, but I just really wanted to clean this up a little bit because it is disgusting. So this is what it looks like, all cleaned up, and we're ready to put it on the car. I'm having an issue with this bracket. It doesn't fit into the slit that they made in the rear bumper. I believe that I'm gonna have to cut these side pieces that are hanging out and maybe have it stick. But for now, I think what I'm gonna do is double side tape these two sides and stick it onto the rear bumper just for now. I'll figure it out once I get the car back from the wrap shop, but it's the only way that I see it fitting without having to cut any of this. I'm gonna go online and see if they have other, I don't know, if they have an actual piece that fits in here. It might be aftermarket, but it's probably my best bet. I'm gonna grab some alcohol and clean up the piece so that it stays. Oh, this has a bottom? Oh my god, fuck this thing. Why is there so many bolts?
This side is good.
This side's not bad.
Do you need a
Holy shit, that took forever. Just in time.
Yeah, I just put this bolt in here, but I don't think that's the bumper bolt.
It took forever, but Bobber helped me out and we got the bumper to fit. We just haven't connected everything. I am super stressed out because this took a lot longer than I thought it would. This is what it looks like. We have perfect fitment over here. The only reason why this is sticking out again is because there's this little plastic like clip right there that we need to take off and it will be flush. I just moved it so it's not aligned anymore, but it is really, really good fitment. I am just super stressed out that we had to take off so many different parts to get it to fit. So these metal brackets, the foam, everything needed to come off. What I'm not understanding is these holes that they drilled into the bumper right here. See if you guys can see it. That doesn't really drill into anything. There is these square holes that are in the clips that come with the 350, and honestly, I don't know how you would attach anything to it. It doesn't look too bad from the bottom, and the license plate goes right here, so it covers it completely. Again, this is a walk around. It looks really, really good. This was by far the most stressful install I've ever done in my life. I did not know that this car had so many 10mm bolts in the rear itself. I am just happy that I have it on, but we're gonna have to figure out the rest tomorrow. I have to actually go on a lunch date with one of my girlfriends, and I'm gonna cut this video short. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!